Hi everyone. So if you are fed up with putting your 3D filaments in these vacuum bags every time you finish printing and these fail sometimes, then I have a suggestion for you. So we only need the top, and we are going to put silicone filler, silicone glue. You can use the same one what they use in the bathrooms at the edges. So I'm going to apply it here, and then I am going to lay over this kitchen foil and put the bottom on the top and let it dry. This one cured properly, and it was not 24 hours, just like 16 or something like that. So let's test it. Yeah, it feels alright. Feels alright. Oh, it's perfect. And I guess if you put it away for a long time, you should put some weight on it. So if there is any inequalities in the silicone thickness, then it will level that out and be airtight.